Hello.
Hello.
So how's the Josh? How's the Josh? Yeah. So actually, I already fallen in love with this Burnett homeopathy. Absolutely, an event organized in homeopathy, in this world of homeopathy. I have never seen such a wonderful event organized, meticulously, lavishly. My God. So, 3 cheers for Burnett and 3 cheers for all homeopaths out there. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! See, now this homeopathy has turned the faces. The side is changing, my dear friends. Yes. So, before I start my session, I would like to first of all convey my gratitude to all the legendary homeopaths. For years together, जिन्होंने होम्योपैथी में जान डाली और इंडिया में हमारे कंट्री में होम्योपैथी को एक लाइन ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट बनाया, कायम रखा in the hearts of the patients. This is a very big thing. Please, a big salute to all those legendary homeopaths. Please. Because without them, it is not possible. Such a huge crowd was not possible. Amazing energy, my dear friends. This session will be the students out there, the second floor, and the last benches. Hello. Yo, students. When I convey my sessions, I see the students because I was the one who used to stand at the back bench and इधर यार पका रहा है. Hello. मैं भी थोड़ा सा पकाऊंगा, लेकिन this time you will be, believe me, the dynamics of your life will change today. Have already changed since beginnings, in the mornings, from Chintawala sir's session till date now, about the hepatitis B, how homeopathy can make changes in life. This is the one. Second, I always appeal to all those students, the coming generation of homeopathy, please be that dedicated, passionate and devoted, like the legendary homeopaths, all those who have put their heart, blood and sweat into this. I know I'm taking time, but this is important. I need to convey my gratitude to all those people who have put their heart into their prescriptions and homeopathy for the promotion, upgradation. So, I, Dr. Mayuresh Mahajan, and I represent HHF. HHF is an organization comprising of more than 15,000 doctors, registered doctors in India and across India, out of India also. We in HHF, we preach homeopathy, we teach homeopathy, we breathe homeopathy, we just sleep with homeopathy. Don't take it another way. And my dear friends, if at all you don't have that passion and devotion for homeopathy, these types of results you won't get. You need to have faith among yourselves. This faith is very, very important. And HHF is an organization founded by Dr. Milind Rao sir. This is my guru, my teacher, my friend, my guide, my philosopher, who has nurtured, I won't say who had taught pupils, you had nurtured thousands of homeopaths across Maharashtra and the remote areas of Maharashtra where people don't even know what was homeopathy all about. And there, my dear HHFians are practicing, growing exponentially great in their practice, and now this is a signal that you need to understand that only passion and devotion can create miracles. So, without wasting much of time, HHF, one more thing I would like to say about HHF. HHF is team. HHF is integrity. HHF is energy. And this master slogan was, together shall we grow. If at all, see, why I fallen in love with Burnett homeopathy, this Dr. Dubey sir had such an amazing idea of making everyone coming under one roof. Is not a joke, my dear friends. It requires immense planning, immense devotion, dedication. And recalling every single homeopath on the single stage is not a joke. I salute for his dedication and love towards homeopathy. This love should be very important. If at all you are that passionate about homeopathy, if you should have that love within yourself, anything is possible. So if at all you want to say anything is possible, see, let's see some impossible cases solved with homeopathy. I don't have much time, I know, sir, but I'll be showing you 2 cases of coma. 2 cases of coma, but the main topic is, जरा पीछे जाना सोनल, एक स्लाइड पीछे. Dr. Ashok Mohanty sir, see the way his photo is, he was putting his blood and sweat into making understand the remedy. And Dr. Narendra Gupta is always behind us, always. What is a guru? A guru is the one who never leaves your path. वो जो हमेशा हमारे पीछे बैठा रहे, जो देखता है और बोलता है भीड़ मैं हूं तेरे पीछे. And this is all about HHF. We in HHF, I am representing HHF, every corner of India, whoever is watching this live, I am dedicating these cases to all those HHFians, all those homeopaths who have that passion and energy for making this system an amazing path. Okay? So next slide please. My topic is how to understand the man in the disease. We have already learned what is the man in the disease. What is this man in the disease? What is this man in the disease? Let us understand this man in the disease. प्ले करो वो केस पढ़ो, हम लोग इस साइड बाद में करें. चलो. To aid healing, pay attention to the causes, the physical constitution, mind and emotions, relationships, occupation, lifestyle and other factors. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूं, हनीमन सर बोल रहे हैं. Next slide please. Kent sir क्या बोल रहे हैं? Among the generals, the symptoms of the first grade are if well marked. The mental symptoms, these take the highest rank, and a strongly marked mental symptom will always rule out any number of poorly marked symptoms of lesser grade. The mental symptoms. Mind is the key to man. Mind the man. Mind is the key to disease. Understand? These were the words of all the legendary homeopaths. So let us understand what is this mind. How to understand the mind rubrics. A patient is suffering from piles. What is the mind rubric? Hello? There you need to understand the man in the disease. So let us take a case of coma where the patient doesn't say anything. The patient says nothing, but still with just observation we can understand that this is the remedy. Let us see through case demonstrations. Play the case number 1. आवाज वॉल्यूम ऑफ किया तो भी चलेगा. See, I'll tell you one thing. This was a case of coma. 22 years old boy met with a bike accident, and he was on the road bleeding for hours together. Okay, and he was been admitted in a hospital. After the modern medicines, all processes, they did whatever was possible, but still after 23 days of this treatment, this boy was not at all on his senses, no consciousness whatsoever, all the nervous plantar reflexes nil. Now understand the case. No voice, nothing. Then what to see? Where is the man in the disease? Where is the man in the disease? I'll tell you one thing. When we see such types of cases, we in HHF, we go together, with 3 to 4 doctors, we come together. I have Dr. Krishna Kumar Dinde here. Next case I will call him on the stage. Within 5 minutes, this case will be over. But I would like to tell you how to approach. See, cure, ideal cure, okay. It's a consequence. How to understand the process. Just how to understand the process is very important. Let us see the process. When the neurophysician was talking with me, he said, see doc, actually this man, I need to appreciate him. In what? The man is, this man in the disease I'm talking about, who is lying on the bed, unconscious, absolutely no consciousness at all, and this man, the neurophysician, he's an allopathic doctor, but still he has an observation. He told me, doctor, see, this is a man with full of willpower. In spite of all adverse circumstances, this man is not giving up. I tell you, he has a strong willpower. Now, this is very important. This is the man in the disease. This is the language of vital force. This is what Kent sir and Haniman sir said. You have to read in between the lines. So what is this? That this man has a very strong willpower. He's not ready to give up. So when he said, this neurophysician, this man is not ready to give up, I asked this, my Rao sir always used to say, whenever a patient is in coma, always remember this, nothing works but his ears are alert. He knows what, he hears everything. He or she hears everything. So I dare to ask one of his relative to ask, तू ठीक होगा क्या? उसको पूछो तू ठीक होगा क्या? तो बोले सर वो तो बात ही नहीं करती है, वो बात ही नहीं करता। मैंने बोल फिर भी बोल, तू ठीक होगा क्या कुछ? तो नहीं सर वो बात ही नहीं, वो जवाब नहीं, इज नॉट एबल। सो व्हाट आई सेड, उसके कान में चीखो कि तू ठीक होगा क्या, एंड सी द रिएक्शन ऑफ द पेशेंट, अंडरस्टैंड दिस। प्लीज सॉरी। This is the reflexes which are absolutely no plantar reflexes. थोड़ा आगे कर, थोड़ा आगे करो।
एक मिनट, प्रश्न का विषय और
see the eyes now. The language of vital force. See, he blinked his eyes. He blinked his eyes. Yes, मैं ठीक होऊंगा. This is the man in the disease. This is the man in disease. In spite of all adverse circumstances, in spite of all negative feedbacks, this man is not giving up. Now we have to understand this remedy. What is to be observed? This is to be observed. And now I want see. This is the now follow. It's directly at the next day. Next day play करो. He started moving his face. थोड़ा और आगे करो, थोड़ा एक मिनट। अभी देख, when we started, he turned his face towards the other side. That means what? This is he doesn't want. This is he doesn't want to bear the answers. I want to be quiet. I just want to be quiet. I just don't. Please don't disturb me. This was the thing. He didn't say anything. He didn't utter anything. But this is what we have to understand. The man in the disease, the vital force, the language of vital force. Whenever everyone is bombarding questions, he just, this is disturb hours to me. Hello. Oh, this is how we understand. Last follow-up दिखा, एकदम last में.
हाँ सरल।
और आगे करो। One fine morning, after 7 years, he came to my clinic. He's pointing towards the tracheostomy. ये हुआ था ना, मेरे को आपने ट्रैक दिया था, अब मैं कोमा था। प्ले करो, आगे करो, प्ले। He's showing it.
कोमा।
Pause. This is the patient. He's married, has 2 sons. This is homeopathy. My dear students, this is an inspiration. This is an inspiration. If I can do it, if these people can do it, you can do it. Understand? Now, next एक video दिखाएंगे. Krish, if at all you could come, I'll be more than happy if you at all. We have seen this case. First, play करो फटाफट. Pause. This was a case of pause. Now, see, there are some cases where you don't get anything. In coma, there are some things which you don't get anything. So me and Krish were in Nagpur. We were conducting a CTP in Nagpur, and what happened was,
जस्ट 2 मिनट्स हम लोग वहाँ पे सेमिनार कंडक्ट कर रहे थे, तो एक डेंटिस्ट का भाई था, एंड दे बिलोंग टू शेगा. he took TIC-20 poison and he went into coma. So it was a suicidal attempt. उसके बाद में उसको अकोला एडमिट किया, उसके बाद में उसको नागपुर लाया गया. हम लोग नागपुर में सेमिनार कंडक्ट कर रहे थे, तो वहां पे ही सेड कि ये लोग वहां पे हैं तो गजानन महाराज की इच्छा है कि कुछ तो होगा. दे ऑलरेडी हैड गिवन अप कि एक चांस है, ऐसे दिखा देते इनको. तो हम लोग 3-4 जन मिलके गए वहां पे, और वहां पे हम लोग को जो इंटेंसिविस्ट होता ना, ही लुक्ड at us with such a, वो नजर होती है ना, क्या फालतू लोग आ गए जहां 3 न्यूरोफिजिशियन ने उसको ब्रेन डेड डिक्लेयर किया है, और हम लोग क्या ना पजामाज और टी शर्ट में गए थे, और इतना रिडिक्यूल्ड, वो नजर, हमको तो आदत हो गई है कि वो नजर दिखती है ना कि क्या कहां से ये लोग चू लोग आए हैं, एंड देन
चूहे लोग बोल रहे हैं, आप अलग लोग हैं कुछ. हाँ, सो अंडरस्टैंड दिस एंड दे रिडिक्यूल्ड अस. ऐसा किया, इट्स ओके, वी लेट अस बी हम्बल. हम लोगों ने पेशेंट का सिर्फ हिस्ट्री पूछा, व्हाट हैपेंड. आई टेल यू द स्टोरी ऑफ दिस केस विद इन 1 minute. ही हैड कुछ पैसा बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट किया था एंड ही लॉस्ट मिजरेबली, एंड ही सेड, आई शपथ, गया मेरा पैसा, पूरी दुनिया भर का, पूरी जिंदगी भर का पैसा मैंने तो ऐसे ही गलाया. शिट, अभी तो मैं हमेशा ना पनवती हूं, मैं ना कभी धंधा नहीं कर सकता हूं, मैं कभी किसी को खुश नहीं रख सकता हूं, ना मैं तो मरना चाहता हूं, मैं मर जाऊं तो अच्छा है. हेलो, अरे एक बिजनेस फेलियर के बाद, नाउ दिस इज अगेन द मैन इन द डिसीज. एक बोलता ठीक है, चलो गया ना, नेक्स्ट टाइम फिर से देखेंगे. ही वॉज द वन, नाउ अंडरस्टैंड द मैन इन द डिसीज. वो बोला नहीं ठीक है, मर जाऊं. दिस सिफिलिटिक सुसाइडल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ विच रेमेडी? Aurum-mate. So you know it. If you know it, why can't you do it? You can do it. Just the thing is, एक अंदर से एक तड़प होनी चाहिए, जैसे दुबे सर बोले ना कि एक तड़प होनी चाहिए. Your rocket should fly unless and until your tail should be on fire. So the first remedy what we gave was Naksumika. Next slide. Next, fast photo. नहीं वीडियो. फर्स्ट रेमेडी, डिस्टर्ब आवर्स टू बीइंग पॉजिटिवनेस, बुओयंसी एंड फ्लोन. व्हाट इज बुओयंसी? उसको डुबा रहा है, पूरा सर्कमस्टेंस डुबा रहा है, फिर उठा रहा है, अपने आप को उठा रहा है. नक्सोमिका, दिस इज द चिकटपना, दिस इज द चिकाटी, दिस इज द कॉन्स्टिपेशन ऑफ नक्सोमिका. नक्सोमिका कैन नॉट पास टूल्स, वो पकड़ के रखता है, छोड़ता नहीं है. दिस इज द मैन इन द डिसीज. हाउ वी अंडरस्टैंड द फिजिकल सिम्टम्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द माइंड सिम्टम्स. हेलो ऑल, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? ये जो छोड़ता नहीं, हार नहीं मानते, 2 बार फेल, नहीं छोड़ूंगा, करूंगा. Naksumika understand this, very irritable. And the second case, please. Sensitive to oral impressions? नहीं, ये नहीं. Third case, number 3. मैं digital इसका एक case लाया. Ailment from business failures. Isn't it simple? Reproaching oneself, isn't it simple? रिप्रोचिंग ने कोसना, शी यार क्या किया. डेथ डिजायर्स इवनिंग, अभी क्या किया, मैं खत्म हो गई साहब, बात सब खत्म. Delivering worthless, sir, as you said, worthlessness with smiling. Amazing sentence. Worthlessness is the core of Aurum Metallicum. पनवती, कुछ नहीं, मैं किसी काम करने में मर जाता हूं. Aurum Metallicum. Ailment from money losing, again Aurum Metallicum. So the more, फटाफट 1 मिनट लेता हूं, अभी पीपीटी निकल लास्ट. So we in HHF understand homeopathy with respect to the man and the disease. Every system is perfect. Every system is correct. We need to understand the process. This process is very important. Direct thank you bhi aaya. Okay, very good. So if at all you are interested in understanding this style of understanding the man and the disease, we have HHF YouTubes, we have HHF channels, we have YouTube channels, we have books. If at all anybody is interested, please contact Dr. Suraj, Dr. Mithun and Dr. Sonal for books and everything. If you want to understand, if you have that passion and devotion, please don't hesitate, because HHF has no doors. Just like Dr. Burnish Homeopathy has no doors. Similarly, HHF also has no doors. You can just walk in and just enjoy and cherish this life with homeopathy. Okay? Hello? हाँ, फॉलो रायला. एक फॉलोअप दिखा रहे हैं, ये नहीं सर, डिजिटलिस्ट भी बताया. औरन सा फेट फॉलो दो, औरन. नेक्स्ट.
और वो जो इंटेंसिविस्ट थे ना, जिन्होंने हमको गिरी हुई नजर से देखा था, उन्होंने उसके बाद में बहुत सारे कोमा केसेस रेफर किए. दे वर लाइक, व्हाट द हेल इज दिस, व्हाट द हेल. Brain dead declared by 3 neurophysicians.
चलेगा? Thank you very much, sir. क्या मामा सिर्फ स्टर्लियन से हाथ साफ करके मामा के पैर में तो हाँ
व्यवस्थित, वेरी गुड यार। ये क्यों बता रहे हो? मैं बाकी के दो को भी दिखाऊंगा नहीं। चलो बाकी दो थे ना, मेरे दो बंदे और थे ना, उनको भी दिखाऊंगा सारों।
जो दो बंदे थे, one was Krishna Kumar Dende and the second was Sunil Godke. So form a team, be friendly, don't put anyone behind. This is not a competition, not a finishing line. Don't touch the finishing line first. Understand? Be brave, embrace your friends, be great homeopaths, great human beings. Okay? Thank you, thank you.